Welcome to the exciting world of online earning. In today's digital age, the internet offers manifold avenues to generate income, making it an attractive option for beginners. This starting landscape can range from remote freelancing jobs to online marketplaces and digital content creation. It's a promising alternative for those seeking flexibility or supplemental income, and virtually anyone with a computer can get started. In this guide, we will navigate through simple yet effective methods to kickstart your journey in making money online. Prepare to explore various platforms and learn tips that will set the foundation for your future endeavors in the online earning field. The freelancing sector has experienced unprecedented growth, thanks to the flexibility and variety of opportunities it offers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr serve as gateways for newcomers to the freelancing world. Setting up a compelling profile is crucial. It should highlight your skills, experiences, and portfolio effectively. After creating your profile, the next step is understanding how to navigate these platforms to secure your first gigs. Employ strategic bidding techniques, tailor your proposals to meet client needs, and maintain professional communication. These initial steps are pivotal in building a successful freelancing career. Entering the e-commerce arena involves more than just listing a product. It requires strategic thinking and planning. Platforms like Etsy and eBay provide robust marketplaces where individuality and niche products thrive. Select products that not only interest you but also have a demand in the market. Efficiently managing your inventory by keeping track of stock levels ensures that you can meet customer demands without overstocking. Marketing plays a critical role, too. Effective use of SEO, social media, and other promotional techniques can attract more buyers to your listings, enhancing visibility and increasing sales opportunities. The digital realm offers vast spaces for creative expression and income through content creation. Platforms like YouTube and blogs allow creators to showcase their expertise and passions. To effectively reach and engage audiences, mastering the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, is essential. This ensures that content is discoverable by target audiences. Monetization of this content then becomes feasible through various channels such as advertisements, sponsored partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Understanding these elements helps in building a rewarding content creation career where your creative outputs not only gain visibility but also generate sustainable income. Affiliate marketing presents a lucrative opportunity to earn income by promoting other people's products. Start by understanding the core of affiliate marketing, which hinges on earning commissions from generated sales or leads. The key to success lies in choosing products that align with your audience's interests and values. Also, opt for affiliate platforms that offer favorable commission rates and comprehensive support. Effective promotion strategies are crucial. These can range from content marketing on blogs and YouTube to leveraging social media platforms. By tailoring content to subtly integrate affiliate links, you can effectively drive sales while providing genuine value to your audience.